How's it going, everyone? So today we're going to recreate this animation which I created in 2019 for 36 Days of Type. It was my second year creating animations for 36 Days of Type. So I was probably 2 or 3 years into motion design in general. So yeah, we're going to create this. I've had a lot of requests to recreate this through YouTube comments and also the Discord server. So yeah, let's get into recreating this animation. I'm gonna start off by creating a composition which is 4x5, maybe like 6 seconds. 6 seconds, and yeah, we're gonna use the same font that I used back then as well, which is Anton. And we're going to have a stroke of 5, which will be used with the echo that we're going to add later on. Probably make it a little, maybe 400? Yeah, let's go there. Okay, so we're going to have our first keyframe on the position, P for position. Yeah, first keyframe, and then we're going to go to here. I'm going to turn off the grids a bit. So yeah, right now we just want to create a W animation with the W letter. So we're gonna like write W with the letter basically. Then we'll move on to the next movement. Maybe I have this here actually. It goes there. And then probably here. And then here. So altogether there's going to be 5 keyframes. So right now it's like this, very linear. And we'll add the echo. We'll make this 400 echoes, and we'll keep the echo time the same, and everything else is the same except for we'll go to composite in front, and then we have it going like this now. Make this go here. As you can see, it's looking cool already. And you kind of have a 3D W going on. So the way we're going to develop this further is we're going to put some easing onto this. I need to make sure that you can all see the easy ease at the bottom, because I know in previous, well, my Twitch stream, someone was trying to view all of what I had going on, but stuff was cropped. So hopefully it's all good and you can see the easy ease. So basically we select all this and then we go to easy ease. And then from here, we start tweaking bits. And we push them in a bit. The anchor points, we push them in a bit to add a bit more character to the ease. And basically, that's how you create the animation. Obviously, if you're going to put these and make it a quicker animation, it's not going to work the same. So you always have to make it slower, and then you kind of get the animation that I had going on with that animation that I created. Can even have this up a bit more. So yeah, I'm going to extend this a bit. On my previous one, I had it looping back as well, and that was just through a time reverse. So basically, on this original one, it's just a bit, there's more curves to it. As you can see, like, it's a lot smoother. And this is just through tweaking the anchor points. So if we want to make it a bit smoother, we'll just get the pen tool and we'll use the convert vertex tool and just smooth off the anchor points more to create a more curvy look to it. And as always, there's no right or wrong to this. You can do it however you want. But yeah, this is a recreation. So now we're gonna reverse this as well, so it can loop. So what I would do is just have a time reverse. Time reverse the layer, and then it will basically go back to the beginning, and then yeah, it will loop again. And that's how it is. That's how you recreate this animation that I created in 2019. And I hope you like it, and I hope it helps all of you who wanted to know how it's done. This is how it's done. But yeah, this is me creating this, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to join the Discord, and yeah, it would be good to have you in the Discord chatting with all of us and creating a community around motion design or graphic design in general. But yeah, I'll see you in the next one, and catch you later. Peace.